Hello friends, this is Model Fun, and in this episode I'm gonna talk about this kit. You can see here it's Roland C.II 1/48 scale from Revell. In this video I will show you what's inside of the box, and from perspective of completed build I want to share with you my experience with the kit, tell you what I liked about it, what is not so good, and generally how it goes together. The full build, you can find it on my channel, recommend it, link is in the description. So, Roland C.II from Revell, let's start. The model in 1/48 scale has 92 parts in total, and the dimensions after it is completed you can see on the box. At the back of the box, Revell put 4 pictures of the completed model and a list of basic paints for the build. The kit is marked as level 4 on the difficulty scale, but I guess this is because of the small number of parts, not measured by actual difficulty, so I would not bother with this. Inside we see a small decal sheet, Revell build manual and plastic bag with parts. Starting from the instruction, usually first and second page has information about safety and explanation of the icons used in the instruction. Later there is a list of Revell colors, pictures with all parts so we can quickly find them. Also in the black box Revell marked the part that we are not going to use. First steps, we start from the interior. The instruction is in color and I think it's clear and accurate. One thing to notice here, the presented colors of the undercarriage and wheels are for the first painting version, the one from the box art. If we decide to build a second version, we better disregard this color suggestion. The last step shows rigging, and I think it is clear enough to make it right. This kit offers 2 options for painting this model. First is the one from the box, with funny curtains in the windows. The second option has less colors and no curtains, so tough choice. Decals look okay. You can see the sheet is divided. We have common decals for both versions, and the curtains and this shark mouth for the first version are on the top. When it comes to plastic, the first surprise is the Uppbeat logo. Wait, what? Yeah. This kit is not Revell original, but it comes from Uppbeat. If you are new to the hobby, I recommend to visit scalemates.com before you purchase a new kit. There is full history of each kit, and here we see that this one was initially released by Uppbeat, so Revell added different painting options and sell it as under their brand. But going back to plastic, parts look nice, sharp details, not too much excess plastic. The interior is on the side of the fuselage, quite good. On sprue B we have wings, some parts of the engine, oil coolers, guns, and in my kit the lower wing was scratched a bit, but nothing major. Sprue D and E look almost identical, but surprisingly sprue D is not listed in the instruction, and if I look closer I see the parts on D frame are little bigger, so I guess this is the different aircraft version that Edart offered, but Revell does not. Clear parts. We have 4 windows, a windshield and small element from the interior. They're very good, as you can see, nice and transparent. Okay, my opinion about the kit. Let's start from positives. First is nice and clear instruction. There are also good decals and good plastic parts that makes the build process nice and fun. What I found not so good is very weak undercarriage. I mean, of course it's characteristic of this aircraft, but I think the parts can be designed better, especially on the spots where the undercarriage construction joins the fuselage. And second, and maybe most important, is value for the money. In this kit there is no photo etched, nothing special added by Revell, but the price of the kit is almost double comparing to what we pay for Edart, a weekend edition of the same kit. So I think, yeah, this is not good. To sum up, I think the kit goes together with no major issues. Only thing I would improve is the undercarriage mount. Because the rigging, it may be problematic, so I would recommend it for more advanced modelers. And if you want to build this aircraft, I would go and buy Edart instead of Revell. If you liked the video and want to support me, please subscribe, and also do not miss my next project, which will be the Tamiya Zero in 1/32 scale. Thank you for watching and see you next time.